Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Vancouver Financial Network. My name is Ali Safi. Thank you all for tuning in this evening. Today is January 31st, 2021. As we warned you guys last week, I'm really glad to give you warning about this is for January 24th. I didn't change it, but this is stated last week, January 24, and as we expected, a cautious mood, just because we expected market is gonna go down, and everyone was not accepting that one just because they were super bull, and still we are looking for downtrend in the market, probably first few trading sessions for this week, but ultimately I'm looking for support around some levels, and we are talking about those levels in later in the video. Let's go to the chart, see what chart tells us. All right, here is our watch list for S&P 500 for different indexes like S&P 500, US 30, small cap, and German DAX, NASDAQ, of course. And we are gonna cover all of them. So let's talk about S&P 500. All right, I didn't erase my arrows for last week video, but you can see actually I was expecting prices going higher, then fall down. But this week actually just came to my radar, just it goes down earlier than I was expected. Anyway, so we were pretty ready for that, and I sent you guys a short signal for S&P 500, and we had like very nice drop just on Wednesday, and then bounce back, which was typically happen after a sell-off on Thursday, and then follow through the nice drop on Friday. And we just I'm gonna just erase this right now, but we are expecting market is going down. So how far it's gonna go down, like everyone is talking about? So this is gonna be a very strong support here in around like 3500 to 3554. That's gonna be very nice support area. But before that, we are expecting some levels. And what are those levels? And here is my calculation. Like based on my calculation, I'm expecting price actually is gonna just rest down around like 35.85. That's gonna be a very nice support area. So as far as we are getting close to these levels, we are closing to the bottom for a nice bounce. I don't know if we are going to like drop another. So from 3700, that is very critical area for now. 3700, as you see, market defended pretty well, but we are closing below 50 moving average, which is going to be a major support, and we are closing below that. So the last time we closed below 50 moving average was like September and then October. So we had like close, and after that you see price goes down all the way down to here. So we are not expecting price is going down like all the way to here, but if it goes down, that's gonna be very a massive support here. It's gonna be very crazy buying opportunity here. I'm looking for long position here, and also I'm looking for long position here for like a short term. It's gonna have like a nice bounce, but right now we are in our short position, and we are looking for bounce, probably to reload our short position to here. If you're getting a nice bounce, then I'm gonna just trigger another short position. We are obviously closing below this trend line, so this trend line is not valid anymore, and we are just closing below this trend line here. This is a very nice trend line here. As you see, here's the top, top, and then one rejected once, and then we are just getting above it, and now we are closing below that one on Friday session. And this is very important trend line here. So this could be another resistance. If you're going down, then it's coming back up here, and then charge this one to this scene of crime here and then going down another one. So I'm not looking for a crazy buying opportunity right here to go like to the all-time high. Look at this, guys. This is a QM pattern, as you know, if you're just participating in my classes. I'm gonna tell you guys exactly. This is very short signal. Like, this is a typical classic short signal on the top, and we just got it perfectly as we get to the short signal last week. All right, so again, just watch out for these levels. These levels are very important. Some from like a 3,500 to 3,600. I'm expecting market is going down all the way down to here, and then we will have like a very nice bounce, probably going all the way up to 3,700. But if we are getting to here, even if we are not getting like dropping straight line to 3,500, probably we will have like a zigzag ABC correction. But so far, still, we are in uptrend. As you see, here is the uptrend for the market. So, and we are expecting like nice bounces from here. All right, let's go to NASDAQ. All right, so here is NASDAQ. NASDAQ, as you see, this is my level for shorting opportunity, and this is for weekly chart, and it goes like down, even didn't reach to that 13,000, almost 800, and then reach down. NASDAQ still is in uptrend. However, in weekly, if you see, here is the trend line. I'm gonna show you, this is very a short-term trend line, and still we are above it. You see, we just touched it and just retraced back on Friday, and still we are above this trend line. And even NASDAQ can go, if NASDAQ can go lower, it can go like a 12,000 like this simple moving average 20 period. That's going to be 12,165. So if you go to daily chart, here is the daily chart I'm going to show you. Let me clean this up, and we are getting like close, even NASDAQ, just we are getting close to 50 day moving average here, around like 12,700. So still NASDAQ is one of the best indexes among the other ones because it holds up pretty well. And even look at the head and shoulder formation, it doesn't break the last low. For S&P, if you remember, we are somehow here, we are just closing below 50-day moving average, but NASDAQ didn't close it. So it means that NASDAQ has nice bullish momentum. Still we are in uptrend, and let me show you here the weekly chart that I show you. So here is probably in daily we break through, and I'm expecting, to be honest, it comes down another like 100 almost 170 points to 12,706 to see if we see any major support here or not. So keep an eye on that. Ultimately, I'm looking for NASDAQ to this level, like 12,136. That's going to be a good buying opportunity. This is going to be a scene of crime. This is going to be a good support here. So keep an eye on those levels. And some people are saying 12,500. That could be a case, just because this is whole round number, and 500, you know what is my methodology. So again, be careful on that. These levels actually are worth to watch it. Here is like, this is a top here. We had like a rejection nicely, and then we just break above it. 12,400, that's gonna be a good opportunity for NASDAQ to see a little bounce. All right, so let's go to US 30, which is Dow Jones. All right, so here is the Dow Jones. Dow Jones has like a similar pattern to S&P 500, and we are getting close to my buying level, which is gonna be this area, like 29,000. That's gonna be a buying level here. And also, I want to show you something interesting. And if we are getting like, let me just do a little bit adjustment here. All right, folks, so it comes here to this like 29,000 to 29,300. That's gonna be a good buying opportunity here. I'm expecting to have like a bounce here. So I believe like next 2-3 trading sessions, are gonna be very ugly. And as far as we are getting to these levels, look at these levels. So it's gonna be very good, a little bounce here. So we are getting for a long position probably here to see a small bounces all the way up to probably 30,000. That's gonna be like 1,000 points for Dow Jones. All right, the last one is Russell 2000. Russell 2000, as you know, here is like a parabolic move to the upside, and we are just breaking down this channel. We are closing below 20 SMA, and we are heading down probably to 2000 area to like 190 like 1924 to 1986. That's gonna be a good bounce, a little bounce here. So I'm not sure if we are gonna see more sell-off after this or not. Probably not. And we expecting another like 100 points down for the Russell 2000, even more, like 150 or something down to Russell 2000. And we are seeing like probably that's gonna be a nice bounce here. And this is a daily chart for Russell 2000, and nothing more I can say for Russell. Let's go to gold market and precious metals were interesting last week. All right, so we have four precious metals here: gold, silver, palladium, and platinum. Let's go to gold first. All right, gold had a very nice rally just in the beginning of the week. From Monday all the way to Wednesday, and all faded up nicely. Like this is a failed pattern, guys. This is failed pattern, and we are expecting to move down even lower, like a price for gold. I know lots of people are bullish on gold, but we are not. We are bearish, and this pattern is very bearish. So this is like a Mariposa, kind of Mariposa candle, and then faded up crazy on Friday. Look at the price action here on Friday. This means that we are closing below all the major moving averages, and we are almost closing below this low. If we close on Monday or Tuesday, we close below this low, gold is gonna go all the way down, first of all to 17, probably 1800. We're gonna see bounce. But ultimately, I'm looking for gold like 1764 or even lower, like 1710. That's gonna be, I think, end of the correction for gold. Gold still is in bearish channel. There is no doubt about it. Gold cannot make another new high after like August 10th. Just lower high, and we are forming this bearish pattern. Look at this bearish pattern, and we are forming another bearish pattern here. So if it goes down, I'm ultimately looking for gold in this box. Probably that's gonna be end of the correction. We need to see the price action over there, but this is my ultimate level for gold. Still, we need to be patient. Don't trigger any trade. At least for me, it's not a good a level here. I'm not, if you want to short it, for sure you can just put another stop loss here and you can short it, and that's gonna be, to be honest, your ultimate level for short. Actually, it's worth to short it. Let's go to another one, which is palladium. Let's go to silver. Silver had like a better chart, to be honest, guys, and we just on Friday it was like a rejection, but not like gold. If you see the gold price, gold actually goes down all the way down to here, but silver has like a better chart. I believe silver is getting ready to break up, and silver is gonna just divide its way from gold. Even if you're seeing like gold is going down, but silver, look at the price of the silver. It is above all the major moving averages. It is good consolidating. Although it doesn't close above this red bar here, but the price action is still is good. Like it's going higher than Thursday, and it's gonna be interesting play. Probably silver actually is going higher this week. Okay, so here is the palladium. Palladium is a very choppy after like this level, but as you see on Friday, just on Friday we had like a massive sell-off from 2300 all the way down to 2194, and we just rejected from like a 200 SMA. And the Palladium, I believe it is not good looking charts on daily, but we are not getting close. We are not actually seeing that price actually close below this high, these lows, and this low here. And if you go to weekly chart, I'm gonna show you something. In weekly chart, very simple analysis. Look at this, guys. If you just ignore March low, oh, Palladium just to start higher. If you are ignoring this, like here, so if you're ignoring price on a drop like March low, here is the trend line on the weekly. So when we are getting like a major correction, it goes down to 50 SMA, 50 period SMA on weekly basis. And now we are getting close to that one, and we just touched the trend line on the 50 period SMA, and then we bounce. And today we just opened, the market just opened now, and it's like gapped up right now. I know it's coming down, but it's gapped up, so it's just the first minute of the opening bell. However, if we move this price higher, I believe it's gonna go all the way higher to this price. So Palladium, if we hold above this level, so that's gonna go all the way up probably to here, and then another one, it's gonna just break up to here, another one, like to test this high. So be careful on the Palladium price, because this is a bullish chart to me, not bearish on the weekly basis. However, if you have like very short, small trading, I believe it worth to have like stop loss below here, because if we close below this moving average on weekly, then it's gonna go down all the way to 1921. But as far as we are above this line, so we can go all the way up to 2337. That's gonna be a first resistance here, and it's gonna be lots of a choppy consolidation here. So be careful on that and watch those levels for Palladium. All right, so the last one is Platinum. Platinum in daily chart actually is doing well, like this is in bull trend, and we are kind of in middle of the bullish trend line for the Platinum, or bullish channel. If we break through about like 1200, we are going all the way up to here, or if we are breaking down, it's going to be like buying opportunity around like 900 to 1000. So we need to be careful on that when we are in middle of something, especially in the larger time frame. We need to double check. However, I'm looking for like a pullback and getting to the long position. If you're getting like a pullback to the to this area, that's going to be a good opportunity for Platinum. All right, so let's go to energy, crude and natural gas. All right, here is the Brent crude oil, and this is very nice bullish consolidation here. However, we may see a pullback from 55. A maximum pullback that I'm expecting is coming down to this level, I believe. That's going to be like a 52, which is coming along with a 50-day moving average. And this, folks, is going to be very nice buying opportunity as far as we are above this. This is, however, I'm not sure if you're getting all the way down to here, but this is to me like very bullish. It is not bearish at all. It is very bullish. And crude, I'm expecting to go higher, like around 60 level-ish. And we have to see if price is going above this bearish trend line and going all the way up to probably 70 or more, or we are closing below that. And everyone is just bearish on oil, sorry, just because the Biden administration. But to be honest, I don't care. I don't care about who is president of US. I'm just looking at the chart, and chart tells me this is a bullish. This is not a bearish consolidation. And finally, natural gas, what can I say? Just pops up 7% in weekend. Always natural gas is doing like that. So we had like long position. Unfortunately, I closed it out just because price looked to me bearish, and I was expecting to move down, but natural gas, surprise, is always with natural gas. So, but still it is gonna be in very choppy consolidation here. We are and we need to close above this 277 and 280 to see a natural gas. Natural gas is going higher to $3, but natural gas is not treating like previous years. Previous years, this time of year, natural gas going down, but this year natural gas is going higher. However, guys, this is very nice bearish pattern, but it fails. When it fails, it's going higher. Don't bet on failed patterns, because failed patterns always is going against the previous trend, and this any pullback to this area is going to be buying opportunity. However, this resistance, and this resistance here is going to be very I'm gonna just put this trend line here, something like that. So it's gonna be like a crazy resistance here from 272 to 280. So we will see how natural gas is doing. Anyway, so this is the end of this weekly technical analysis. If you like our channel, please subscribe in our channel, and please like our videos or put your comments below. That's gonna help us to create more better videos down the road in the future. Have a nice rest of your weekend, guys. See you on the chart. Bye bye. Oh, sorry. Let's go to. Okay, let's.